How do you get from 0 to 100 Instagram followers, or how do you gain 100 new followers on Instagram? You'll find out exactly how in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about growing your social media presence and income. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe down below. In today's video, we're going to talk about starting a brand new Instagram account and how do you gain those first 100 followers that will help you boost your account and help you grow. So first, let's get through what Instagram recommends for a brand new account. They recommend that you follow a few people that you enjoy. They recommend that you add at least 3 posts to begin with, that you connect your Facebook page, and that you also sync your contacts so they find you and follow your account. Those are all great recommendations for a brand new account, but I have a few more that will help you actually grow your account and keep growing after you've reached 100 followers as well. So here's how to quickly get to 100 followers. First things first, only follow people that you're genuinely interested in and whose content you actually like and will engage with. Because if you follow people you don't even like their posts, you don't even watch their stories, Instagram will see something there. So there needs to be an interaction from your side because you're a new account, nobody really knows who you are, but at least you need to do the interacting with other accounts and you need to grow your engagement. The next thing, optimize your profile well. Have a profile image of yourself or of your logo if you are a business. Optimize your bio, your profile description, add your links, how people can contact you. And if you're a business, also connect your Facebook page by going to edit profile and add your page. The next thing that you really need to think of when posting on Instagram is obviously content. So make sure that you have high quality content and that you post regularly. As a beginner, I suggest posting 1 feed post every single day to create that beautiful feed of yours that will be aesthetically pleasing, and that will be the first thing that people see when they click on your profile, and that will make your profile follow worthy. Also, for every single post that you post, optimize the caption to fit your brand voice. So try not to add quotes for every single post. Maybe try and write something that you come up with and that really fits your brand. Obviously, in the same sense, post things on your feed that represent your brand. If you sell shoes, don't post things like quote images all the time. Try and really post things that will make people interested in your product and in your brand. For example, if you're a social media manager, you're not going to post images of ice cream all day long, or things that will attract the right target audience to your account. Again, as a beginner, and if you want to show Instagram that you're serious about growing your account, I suggest posting 1 to 3 stories per day and show up yourself in the stories. Another thing that you can do to grow your Instagram account is to use hashtags that are well optimized for your target audience, for your niche, and use all 30 of them for every single post, but don't repeat them. Don't repeat the same 30 hashtags for every single post because that can cause spam for your account and that is not good. Instead, go on and find more hashtags, then mix them up together in 10 groups of 30, for example, and use those 30 groups one by one. If you need somebody to just research those 10 groups of 30 hashtags for you, I can do that for you. You have my Instagram management services down below. So make sure to contact me if you're interested in that. Engage with other people's content on the Explore page and people that you actually follow. So like, comment, share, and save. This will make Instagram know that you're active, that you are keeping your account active, and that you're generally just using and enjoying the platform. This way they will see what you're interested in, the type of content you're interested in, and they will recommend more of that for you, while also recommending other people content from your account. Now, with the new Instagram feature, Instagram Reels, it is really easy to grow from 0. So I suggest for the very first month, let's say, or very first few months, or until you reach these 100 followers, if this is your goal, is to post 1 Instagram reel per day, but research popular trends that are going on, research popular sounds, and try and create reels with text with your face in them and that are high quality, because that will also bring followers to your account. Now, if you're a business and you sell products and you've heard of the Instagram shopping feature, please don't hurry up to enable it when you don't have 100 followers yet, or if you don't have more followers, because you risk getting rejected and then it is a lot harder to appeal. better just wait a little bit longer for your Facebook page to be older than 6 months, for your Instagram account to be older, for your Instagram and Facebook page to grow in followers and engagement, and then it will be a lot easier for you to apply, because even if you apply now, you will get rejected, and then it will be so much more difficult for you to get approved. So I know you want to tag your product in your post and everything else, but I suggest waiting a little bit until you grow. Another tip to grow your engagement on your Instagram account and your followers is if your content is share-worthy to other platforms, such as, let's say, if your Instagram Reels can also be posted as YouTube Shorts, make sure to do that and attract people to your YouTube channel and then to your Instagram account. If your Instagram posts, for example, you're a fashion blogger, you create amazing Instagram posts of your fashion items, outfits, and everything else, you can also pin those to Pinterest with the Instagram link, so that people, when they find them on Pinterest, they will go to your Instagram account and find much more content like that, and they will also follow your account. So Pinterest is another amazing tool that you can use if you create unique content on Instagram. You can do the same thing for your Reels. You can post them as pins, and video pins are really popular, so you will get engagement and followers from those as well. If you want to learn more about growing on Pinterest or growing on YouTube, make sure to click the playlist down below. Lastly, make sure to create unique and branded Instagram highlights that will complete your profile beautifully. Those highlights can make people spend more time on your account if they see that you offer tips on blogging or anything else that they might be interested in. They will spend a little bit of time on your highlights because they're the first thing up there that they will see and be able to scroll through. And those are really important to keep updated and add more stories into, and also optimize really well for your target audience. Another really quick tip if you want to increase video views on your Instagram Reels and IGTVs is to create custom covers and add those, share those to your feed as well. Because when people find your profile, in order for them to follow you and actually want to follow you, is for them to understand that they will receive value from your content. And the first thing that they will do besides scrolling through your Instagram highlights, they will scroll on your profile. And if they see Instagram Reels there, and if they see IGTVs, and if they see carousels and different types of content combined, they will be much more likely to follow your account because you're offering them all these value. It just gives people more things to look at and determine whether they want to follow your account or not, and that can be really helpful in your followers' growth. Remember, you don't want people to follow you that are not genuinely interested in your content. It will not help you at all. And you should want people to follow you that are actually interested in your content and in what you have to offer. So if you gain followers but you gain them rather slowly, don't be discouraged. Keep doing you, keep doing what you need to do, optimize your profile, post quality content, and the right followers will come. If you want to learn more about growing on Instagram, growing on YouTube, Pinterest, growing your business in general with social media, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can also find more useful content on my Instagram account at lydia.incomingsuccess. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, because more videos are coming on Instagram growth and in general how to grow your income online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.